Asante sana. All protocols observed. Watu wa Nyeri hamjambo. I am here to mourn a dear mother, a confidant and a friend. I am a friend of the family of the late Field Marshal. She's actually a family friend. I remember when I was a little girl, nikisomea Nyeri Primary, there's a day that I was left by the bus. And my father said, pick her, umpeleke kwa Field Marshal. Akasema, karibu sana. And she told me, umodhi gukurugira gukweria irirwara. And you know, as a small child, ukirugirwa guku, it is such a big thing. Onadieda kuweka homework that day. So I was waiting, and she told me, first finish your homework, nigada guhe guku irirwara. So after I finished my homework, I was eager. She came from the kitchen with a big bowl, steaming, hot, nice and oily. No matadaitaka. You know what was in the bowl? Some beautiful githeri. So I am here to mourn a dear mother and a friend of our family. And I pray that Karethi, you're an honorable man. Thank you so much for taking care of Shushu. I wish that in this community we can have many more Karethis, men, young men of honor. Thank you so, so much for taking care of Shushu. I will now go on to read 2 tributes. I will start with that from Her Excellency, Mama Ngina Kenyatta. And I will read. Message of condolence to the family, relatives, friends of the late Field Marshal Muthoni wa Kirima. My family and I send this message of condolence and encouragement during this difficult period as you mourn the death of the late Field Marshal Muthoni wa Kirima. Our prayers, together with those of many Kenyans, are with you. I cherish the memory and joy that we, Field Marshal Muthoni wa Kirima, myself, and many others met in the recent past as we shared many stories of our past. I thank God for the privilege and honor to have known and shared the very challenging, difficult period in our country during the colonial government, together with many others, including yourself, Field Marshal Muthoni wa Kirima, kana Nyina wa Dojo. Her footprints, especially in the forests, molded and played a crucial role in supporting like-minded leaders in the fight of freeing our country from the colonialists and for Kenyans' rights to political, social, and economic growth towards the freedom of our country and the independence and development thereof. She was a patriot, a great warrior, one of the most revered Mau Mau Shujas and freedom fighters. She is and remains in our rich historical liberation struggle of success. She will not only be remembered for her bravery and courage, but also for her diligence and delivery to the people of Kenya. We pray that God will bless our Mau Mau Shujas, those that are remaining alive, and their families, for their selflessness, their dedication, their commitment, and those especially who paid the ultimate price with their lives to enable the freedom that we enjoy today. Uroma makwega kuraga, Mau Mau Shujaa Wito, Field Marshal Muthoni wa Kirima Nyina wa Dojo. Signed, Her Excellency, Mama Ngina Kenyatta, on 7th of September, 2023.